Meet EduRP Olive, the all-in-one SaaS management platform built for training organizations. Whether you run a language school, a dance studio, or a sports club, from class scheduling and resource allocation to membership tracking and multi-campus management, EduRP Olive streamlines operations and simplifies daily workflows, giving you the tools to manage tasks efficiently and focus on what truly matters: growing your organization. In this video, we'll walk you through how the system works. First, a potential user signs up for a free trial on our website, www.mtoliv.com. Click Sign Up and select EduRP Olive. Enter your email and you'll receive a sign-up invitation from Olive Green. Simply click the link in the email and you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your company's details, set your password, and add a payment method for your subscription. For this demo, we'll set up a fictional language school. Let's call it Grace Language Academy, founded by Ms. Grace Hartwell. This will serve as our example as we walk through the system. Just like that, your EduRP account is ready to go. As the primary subscriber, you will be the default system administrator for your company. From there, you can manage user roles, adjust permissions, and grant access to colleagues through our role-based access control system. We'll cover that in more detail later in the video. The left menu is organized by key operational functions, keeping everything structured and easy to navigate. Resource covers essential human resource and administrative tasks, helping you manage staff and facility resources efficiently. Academics is designed for faculty members, academic administrators, and faculty support teams, handling everything related to courses, schedules, and student progress. Customer is where customer and student profiles are managed, primarily by class consultants and the sales team, though teachers may also access it occasionally. With leads tracking and sales funnel analysis coming soon, this section will offer full CRM functionality to support enrollment and engagement. Marketing allows you to define and price your products, ensuring your offerings are well-structured and aligned with your business strategy. System settings and subscriptions are restricted to system administrators, maintaining security and control over the platform. Currently, the system supports 3 languages: English, Japanese, and Chinese, designed to serve schools and training organizations in North America and APAC regions. Navigate to the organization menu. You'll see that a default campus is already set up. A campus represents a student-facing facility where classes are held. If your organization operates in multiple locations, you can add more campuses. For our fictional Grace Language Academy, let's keep it simple for now. We'll create just 2 departments, administration and marketing. You'll also notice the options for Profit Center and Cost Center. An accounting module and business intelligence suite are on the way, offering detailed profit and loss analysis, from department and campus performance down to individual classes. If you click on Profit Center, you'll see an option labeled Student Facing. Selecting this will designate it as a campus. For Grace Language Academy, even small at the moment, let's go ahead and create 2 campuses, Peachtree and Cherry Tree, for demo purposes. With our organization structure set up, let's move on to adding coworkers into the system. Grace has 3 colleagues: Abigail Shepard and Esther Williams, both language teachers like Grace, and Lillian Fairmont, who handles administration, human resources, and accounting. Before diving into resource management, there's one more fundamental aspect to define: the courses we plan to offer. In the academic section under courses, you'll find category management and lesson template management. Lesson templates play a crucial role in resource management, class offerings, and pricing. They serve as the blueprint for creating classes and determining which faculty and facility resources are required. Instead of manually setting up each class from scratch, we use lesson templates to instantiate classes, ensuring consistency and efficiency in scheduling. Additionally, lesson templates help the system match available resources, such as instructors and classrooms, to scheduled classes based on predefined capabilities. Lesson templates are also tied to pricing categories. Instead of assigning a price to each individual lesson template, we use pricing categories to decouple pricing from lesson structures, making it more flexible and scalable. Now, we have defined a few lesson templates for our fictional Grace Language Academy, an English as a Second Language ESL course, two IELTS workshops, two Japanese language courses, two private lesson templates that can be scheduled on an ad hoc basis. At this point, the course category field is empty because we haven't created any categories yet. Organizing lesson templates into structured categories makes them easier to manage. So let's define some categories and attach them to our lesson templates. Now that we've set up our courses, we're fully ready to define our resources. Let's go back to the resources section and pick up where we left off. First, let's add our teachers. Here we can see how lesson templates are linked to resources. Lesson templates define resource capabilities, ensuring that only qualified faculty and suitable facilities are available for scheduling. When a class is created based on a lesson template, the system will match and assign only capable resources, whether it's an instructor or a classroom. Next, we set up classrooms to accommodate the courses. To allow staff to use EduRP, we must invite coworkers to sign up for an account. Clicking the Send Sign Up Invitation button sends an invitation email. Once the recipient clicks Activate Your Account in the email, they'll be directed to a page where they can set their account password. Let's use Abigail as an example. After setting her password, she officially has an EduRP account under Grace Language Academy. But why does she see only her profile, with no options in the left menu? That's because she hasn't been assigned any roles yet. As the system administrator, it's Grace's responsibility to set up roles and assign them to coworkers. So let's switch to Grace's account and configure roles in system settings. A role is a collection of access permissions within the system. Except for the system administrator role, which is predefined, all other roles are customizable based on the organization's needs. We have defined 4 roles for our fictional Grace Language Academy: marketing, customer services, faculty, and resource management. Now let's assign these roles to our coworkers. Each role can be assigned to multiple staff members, and a staff member can hold multiple roles. Once again, we'll use Abigail's account to verify how role-based access control works. And just like that, Abigail now has full access to her assigned functions. With resources, roles, and courses fully set up, our system is now ready for daily operations. The entire process takes less than 30 minutes for Grace Language Academy. For larger institutions, the duration may vary, ranging from an hour to a full day, depending on the scale. I can't say how long a traditional enterprise resource planning (ERP) system would take, days, weeks, maybe even months. But one thing is certain, the cost would be far beyond Ms. Grace Hartwell's budget. With EduRP, training organizations get a powerful, affordable, and easy-to-deploy solution that fits their needs without the complexity of traditional enterprise systems.